हेलो सर।
बोलो।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
सर आप याद दिलाओ बोले थे सर, आज टेंजेंट्स के इक्वेशंस का करना है और पोर्शन भी बोलते बोले थे सर आप।
क्या पोर्शन इज सर्कल्स, व्हाट ऑल वी आर डूइंग मैन, लास्ट वीक एंड दिस वीक व्हाट ऑल वी डिड। अब एंटायर सर्कल समझो ना।
ओके सर।
ओके सर।
Please.
शोएब आ गया। शोएब आ गए। शोएब और इधर। Come on, write this down. The problem is there in the board. Come on, start writing it. Solve this. तो चलो आंसर नंबर ऑफ सर्कल्स तो बोल सकते ना
2.
मैं आवाज ही नहीं कर रहा क्या जी मैच करूं one circle here one circle here so how many circles you can draw बोलो मैम
2 circles.
two circles nonsense answer 4 यहाँ पर एक क्यों नहीं आता is it touching both L1 and L2 it is touching the circle it is touching L1 it is touching L2 similarly one more here answer 4 first one Isaac am I correct
Yes, sir.
stand on the bench
Yes,
stand
sir.
on the bench now pay attention please look at the figure chalo this radius is 2 what is this length this point is 0 comma minus 4 so this length would be 4 this is the radius of given circle this is your x square plus y square equal to 4 radius is 2 this length is 4 look at this angle if you call this angle as theta what is sin theta opposite y hypotenuse is this correct please respond correct
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
next look here let a छोटा circle radius be r यहाँ से यहाँ तक what's the length radius of this circle 2
2 plus smaller.
what is this length what is this length this length is 2 this length is r so what is this length what is this length this length is 2 this length is r what is this length
2 minus r.
2 minus r in this triangle what is sin 30 r by 2 minus r half 2r is equals to 2 minus r 3r is equal to 2 r is equal to 2 by 3 Pay attention. Look at this circle. Let the radius be R1. Angle 90. ये पूरा बड़ा ट्रायंगल ले लो, बड़ा ट्रायंगल दिख रहा?
Yes, sir.
This length is R1. Here to here, 4. Here to here, इसका radius 2, 6. Here to here, इसका radius R1. So total length 6 plus R1. So again, sin 30 is equal to half is equal to R1 by 6 plus R1. 6 plus R1 is equal to 2R1. R1 is equal to 6. Come back. Last point, last circle, of radius of biggest circle. Look here. This angle is 30. When two lines are intersecting, where will the center of the circle lie? On the angular bisector. This is the angular bisector. Center of this circle. Let this length be R3. Look here, man. What is chota angle? What is chota angle? 30. So what is this angle? What is this angle? 60. यहाँ से यहाँ की लेंथ, यहाँ से यहाँ की लेंथ, यहाँ से यहाँ की लेंथ. Root S11. 4 0, minus 4 से root S11. 0, minus 4 से root S11. 0 square plus 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 root 12. So this length is root 12. What is tan 60? What is tan 60? Root 3. Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? R3. What is adjacent? Root 12. So R3 is equal to root 36. And this is 6. Same argument. This also 6. Hence, radius of largest circle 6. I will not ask any queries, any questions. What was the last problem we did yesterday? One of the most beautiful problems, if you have a latest edition of Cengage, it is there, Cengage में comprehension. पुराने Cengage में नहीं है. 2016-17 के बाद ऐसे Cengage में है problem, comprehension. Passage question, same 3 problems. What was the last problem we did yesterday? I asked. Can you clear this off?
Yes, sir.
But you know where we stopped? Tell me, man. Last problem yesterday.
Last
Number
problem.
of tangents of number of common
minus
tangents
y
of
square
x square plus y square
4y
minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y plus alpha equal to 0 are for then least integral value of alpha is.
Look at what's the first circle center? Come on, C1, C2, R1, R2, D. Color. Tell me the nature. How are the circles? R1, 1, R2,
3,
D, D, 16 plus 4, 20, correct?
25, 5. Yes, sir.
25 है.
Yes, sir. 16 plus 4.
4G,
16 plus 20, sir. 20.
root 20 is 2 root 5, 2.1 डाल लो, 4.1. D greater than R1 plus R2. Circles are wide apart. Number of CDs 4. Two direct common tangents. Two transverse common tangents. What is length of direct common tangent? D square minus of D square is 20. R1 minus R2 is 3 minus 1 to 2 square 4. 16 4. Length of transverse common tangent D square minus of 20 minus 4 square 16. रेशियो भी आ गया. चलो फाइंड आउट P comma Q. Give me the point rating. बच्चों लोग बोलेंगे
0,5/2 and 3,-4.
1 into -3 plus or minus 3, 1 plus or minus 3, 1 plus or minus 9, 1 plus or minus 3. Tell me what is P? 0, 10/4, 5/2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Adnan,
Yes, sir.
Abrar,
Yes, sir.
what is Q?
9/2.
-2.
3,-4.
-9/2.
1 minus 9 minus 8 by, is it 3, 4?
4.
Yes, sir.
Now pay attention. Transverse common tangent, transverse common tangent. What is one bundle Bakwas method? S1 square is equal to S into S11. Life becomes miserable. T use karo. I am finding transverse common tangents using P is equal to 0,5/2. बच्चे लोग pay attention. Transverse common tangents मेरा जिम्मा, direct common tangents आपका जिम्मा. Look here. Y minus y1 slope m x minus 0. बच्चे लोग what does it gives you? mx minus y minus 5/2 is equal to 0. Next. This is acting as a tangent to कौन सा तो भी एक सर्कल ले सकते हैं. Because it is acting tangent to this, acting tangent to this. I will take first circle. What's the center?
1,3.
R11. What's the condition I use? D is equal to R. R is 1. Distance from 1, 3. M into 1 minus 3 minus 5/2 under root of m square plus 1. Am I correct?
Yes.
-6 minus 5. Mx minus y, it is plus 5/2. No? -6 plus 5 minus 1. We'll take LCM. Man.
Sir.
1 is equal to चलो काम कर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what does it gives you? Cross multiply and square. 4 into m square plus 1 is equal to 4m square plus 1 minus 4m. What will I get? 4m square plus 4 is equals to, bolo ji, 4m square plus 1 minus 4m. 4m square will cancel off. Minus 4m is or 4m is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3. m is equal to -3/4. भाई रे, दो tangent दिख रहे, एक ही tangent आया. What will I get? y minus 5/2 is equal to m का value -3/4 आया into x. LCM is 4. 4y minus 10 minus 3x. Answer 3x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is clear. Any doubts, any questions? What happened to second tangent is my question. हवा खा गया, जमीन खा गया, क्या खुद खा लिए?
No, sir. Now we got.
खाया, जमीन खाया, खुद खा लिए, क्या हुआ?
So last we found, sir, second tangent.
हाँ?
Sir, we found our second tangent.
There are two transverse common tangents. We found only one. What happened to another transverse common tangent? Anybody? It is there. You should see. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. It will be visible. Open your eyes. It will be visible. Anybody? No, where is it? Divided by m square. 4 plus 4 by m square is equal to 4 plus 4 by m square is equal to 4 plus 1 by m square minus 4 by m. Is LHS is equal to RHS? Yes. Is LHS is equal to RHS? Yes. When is LHS is equal to RHS? Limits आ गया इधर. M is going to infinity. M is going to infinity. As M goes to infinity, LHS equal to R. What do you mean by slope infinity? What do you mean by slope infinity? What do you mean?
Perpendicular to y-axis.
Tangent is parallel to y-axis. Tangent is parallel to y-axis. Implies tangent is parallel to y-axis. In what form is the tangent parallel to y-axis? X is equal to lambda is tangent. This tangent is passing through what point? Emily,
B.
what do I do? Hence, the two PCDs are, x equal to 0 and what's the other PCD? 3x plus 4y. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Come on, find DCDs. Find DCDs. 3 minutes time. 3 minutes time. चलो डन, आई एम वेटिंग, आंसर चाहिए। नो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। हेलो हेलो, अगर एग्जाम में पूछा ट्रांसवर्स कॉमन टेंजेंट्स क्या करना? फाइंड पी, सब्स्टिट्यूट पी इन द ऑप्शंस। डायरेक्ट कॉमन टेंजेंट्स पूछा, फाइंड क्यू, सब्स्टिट्यूट क्यू इन द ऑप्शंस, whichever satisfies will be the answer. No MCQ exam will ask this question, man. Chalo, answer. Shall I do it? DCD is using Q3, 4. Y minus 4 is equal to M into X minus 3. Mx minus Y plus 4 minus 3M is equal to 0. 1, 3 center R1. 1 is equal to modulus of M into 1 minus 3 plus 4 minus 3M. Denominator under root M square plus 1. Cross multiply M square. M square plus 1 is equal to minus 3M plus M minus 2M. 4 minus 3, 1. Am I correct? Any mistake? M square plus 1 is equal to 4M square minus 4M plus 1. 1 is cancelled. 3M square minus 4M is equal to 0. M is 0 and M is 4 by 3. Slope 0 बोले तो line parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to constant. So 1 is y is equal to 4. And M 4 by 3. Y minus 4 is equal to 4 by 3 into x minus 3. 4x minus 12 is equal to 3y minus 12. 4x minus 3y is equal to. These are the two direct common tangents. Can I clear this off?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I?
Sir, right hand side 1 minute, sir.
medium.
Yes, sir. Completed.
What? Shall I?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Idea वालों?
Factorize the below equation to get the two lines.
Hamza, once again.
Factorize the equation of the two normals.
I think from these two I can take x common. From these two I can take minus 3y common. Once x is 3, y is 1. So second circle का center क्या है? Second circle का center क्या है? 1, 1. Sorry, 3, 1. Touches so and so externally. इसका center radius man
1.
9 plus 9 18, 18 minus 17 1 square root 1. Distance between centers
4.
4. If distance between the centers is 4, then what will be this radius?
3.
Center मालूम है, radius मालूम है. Circle equation. Correct. अबरार, correct है?
Yes, sir.
जरा आंसर बोलो ना. Correct?
Yes, sir. कर रहे हैं.
Can I clear this up? Question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बोलो somebody. Fayaz Nawab. तो चलो what do you mean by touch each other?
D is equals to R1 plus R2, 3 cities.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
R1 क्या है?
R1 is A square by 4. No, sir. A square by 4 plus B square by 4 under root, sir. Yes.
Come on, give me the answer. D square equal to R1 square plus R2 square plus or minus 2 R1 R2. What is D square? C by 2 minus A by 2 whole square plus D by 2 minus B by 2 whole square, A square by 4 plus B square by 4, C square by 4 plus D square by 4 plus or minus 2 R1 R2. इसको बाद में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. क्या है? A square by 4, A square by 4, B square by 4 एक पूरा कर जाते चारों भी. What remains left hand side? चलो क्या करें? Check this.
Yes, sir.
टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, क्या देगा? Again square. Left hand side A square C square B square D square 2AC BD. Right hand side 16 into R1 square क्या है?
A square plus B square by 4.
Correct? LCM में 4 4 16 कराया था. So it will be A square plus B square into C square plus D square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
मानो जी मेरे से करा रहे हैं A square C square A square D square B square C square B square D square. Correct? ये दोनों इस तरफ लाए तो
AD minus BC whole square.
is equal to 0. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions?
No doubts.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
My class. Anybody can think of an easy method? My class में पूरा प्रॉब्लम यहाँ तक सॉल्व करके दिखा के after taking consent from the students, I make whole class stand on the bench. I make whole class stand on the bench.
Sir, we can do one thing. We can use the fact that those two equations are very convenient if we consider them as extremities of diameters.
Chup. Chup. No. I repeat, I solve this till here. I make whole class stand on the bench for not thinking in a logical way. One case. Circles are touching each other externally. Both the circles are passing through origin. Second case. Circles are passing through origin, touching internally. We did not use this so far. Line of centers. When circles touch externally, how is the point of contact and centers? Collinear. When circles touch internally, point of contact and centers of the two circles, how are they? Collinear. Therefore, origin, center of first circle, center of second circle, they are all collinear. When points are collinear, slopes are equal, slopes are equal, slopes are equal. Iska slope b by 2 minus 0, b by 2 by a by 2 is equal to c by 2 by d by 2. कट गया. AC is equal to B. याद करें क्या लिया अपन? Did I make a mistake? B by 2, A by 2. Okay, it is D by 2 and C by 2. AD is equal to BC. One line answer. Yes, sir. Check करते जी. Simple logical approach. मैं करते जा रहे. कोई रोक रहा नहीं मेरे. Simple logic approach. Circles I can touch because this is possible basically because circles were passing through origin. Thank you. See you tomorrow, same time.